Good morning and welcome to online class. Day 16, class 6, subject social studies and lesson 2.1, our festival. Yes, in previous class I had taught you about our festival, about Dasai, Tihar, Chhat. Yes, these all I had taught you. Losar. Yes, these all festival I had taught you in previous class. Yes, and today I am going to teach you or explain you about Christmas. Yes, who celebrate Christmas and when? Today I will explain about that. Christmas. Christmas is celebrated by Christian. Yes, it is celebrated on the month on the month of December. It is celebrated on 25th December. Yes, and before 24th December is known as Christmas Eve. Yes, they call Christmas. They celebrate by decorating their house. Yes, with light, flower, with different colorful paper. Yes, they call their family relatives. Yes, in their house, and they enjoy lots of things in their home. They prepare delicious food. Yes, they get together and they eat. They went in church to pray. They sing their devotees song in this Christmas day. Yes, and they pray for peace and for prosperity in this day, because they believe that many good things happen in this day. So they sing, dance, yes, with their relatives, family, and enjoy. And they sing Christmas carol. They invite their relatives and family in this day. And it is also believed that Santa Claus came to house and provide gifts for children. Santa Claus hide their gifts in different places separately. Yes, and when early in the morning when children get up and they started to search their gift. Yes, they believe in their things. Christmas, and in the day on 26th date, they went outside and provide delicious food and some clothes to needy people. Yes, needy people. And this day is also known as Boxing Day. Yes, and next topic is Buddha Jayanti. Yes, we know that Buddha Jayanti fall on Vaisakh Shukla Purnima. Yes, Buddhism celebrate this Buddha Jayanti. Yes, many people follow this religion. In this day Gautam Buddha was born. So people celebrate this day. Yes, Gautam Buddha had got enlightenment at the age of 36 and died at the age of 80 in the same day. Yes, त्यही दिनमा उहाँले के गर्नुभयो त नलेज लिनुभयो र त्यही दिनमा चाहिँ के गर्नुभयो त मर्नुभयो. Same day, no different. Yes, this people visit monasteries, gumbas, stupas and vihars in this in Buddha Jayanti. Yes, they worship the status of Lord Buddha. They offer incense, flower and fruit to his idol. Yes, the monks in Gumba sing devotional song and distribute food and clothes among the needy people on this occasion. यो दिनमा के गर्छन् त भन्दाखेरि जसले चाहिँ बुद्धिस्ट को त्यो रुल्स एन्ड रेगुलेसन फलो गर्नुहुन्छ र यो रिलिजन फलो गर्नुहुन्छ, उहाँले यो दिनमा के गर्नुहुन्छ त प्रोवाइड some clothes and foods to needy people. Yes, they sing devotee song. Yes, and they pray Gautam Buddha in this day. And the next topic is that Eid. Yes, yes, and Eid. Yes, next topic is this is topic I will explain in next class. And today I want to explain one important topic, that is Teej. Yes, Teej is one of the most important festival of Hindus. Yes, Hindu को सबभन्दा महान चाड भनेको तीज. Yes, women celebrate this festival. Yes, this festival is coming. Yes, people eat delicious food. Yes, before teas. Yes, दरखानी भनेर चाहिँ एक हप्ता अगाडिदेखि नै people चाहिँ माइत जाने गर्छन्. Yes, they went father's house. Yes, they eat delicious food. They wear new clothes. Yes, they all family relatives get together and enjoy this day. Yes, all sister, all auntie, mothers, yes, get together in home and they dance, sing, yes, enjoy. And in this day they take fast without drinking water. तिनीहरूले के गर्छन् त निर्जला व्रत राख्छन् यो दिनमा. Yes, this is not related here, not given in book, but I want to teach this because it is also one of the most important festival. Yes, so I want to explain this. And women celebrate this. Yes, एक दिन अगाडि हामी दर खान्छौँ, एक दिन चाहिँ हामी फास्टिङ बस्छौँ without drinking water. हामी निर्जला व्रत बस्छौँ. Yes, and in that day is we went to our nearest holy place, that temple. Yes, and we sing and dance in a group. Yes, many people, different place came there, and we enjoy lots there. We sing, dance. Yes, and we pray for God also. Yes, and people wear new clothes in this day. Yes, and in this day government also gives holiday. Yes, especially for women. Yes, and nowadays people celebrate differently. Yes, 1 month ago they celebrate with their relatives, friends, in hotel. Yes, in a restaurant, hotel they celebrate. Because in पहिला चाहिँ यस्तो हुन्थेन, एउटा नियमले रीतिरिवाजले हुन्थ्यो भने now they not following anyone like that. Yes, पहिला चाहिँ घरमै हुन्थ्यो भने अहिले चाहिँ पिपलहरुले चाहिँ के गर्छन् त होटलमा अनि रेस्टुरेन्टमा या कुनै ठाउँमा गएर चाहिँ के गर्छन् त इन्जॉय गर्छन्. दिस इज आई थिंक नट गुड. यो चाहिँ राम्रो होइन. यस, ग्यादर हुने फ्यामिलीहरु रिलेटिभहरुसँग हामीले सेलिब्रेट पहिला 1-2 महिना अगाडिदेखि नै तीज आयो भनेर चाहिँ के गर्छन् त सेलिब्रेट गर्छन्. आई थिंक दिस इज नट गुड. यस, enjoy 2-3 days. Yes, that is good. We should enjoy in our community. Yes, society, within a house also we can celebrate by calling our relatives. Yes, our friends, and we can enjoy that day. Yes, and we can go temples with our relatives, friends. Yes, that is the actual meaning of Teej. Yes, and in next class I will teach you about Eid and Udawli Parva. Yes, and today I will give you some tasks related to this Christmas, Buddha Jayanti, and about Teej. And please write that. Yes, write that and learn also. Okay, this is your task. Please complete your task. Okay, why are the day 24th, 25th and 26th of December important for Christians? किन यो important छ त explain गर्नुहोस्. Yes, in book these all are given. Explain the importance of celebrating Buddha Jayanti. यसको importance लेख्नुहोस्. Buddha Jayanti किन celebrate गरिन्छ? Do you like the way of celebrating Teej in this day? के हजुरहरुलाई अहिलेको जुन तीज जुन सेलिब्रेट हुन्छ नि त्यो चाहिँ हजुरहरुलाई मन पर्छ भने त्यही अनुसारले लेख्नुस्. मन पर्दैन भने किन मन पर्दैन? इफ नट गिभ योर ओपिनियन हाउ इट शुड बी सेलिब्रेट. यदि हजुरहरुलाई त्यो वे मन पर्दैन भने कसरी सेलिब्रेट गर्ने त त्यो वे चाहिँ लेखिदिनु होला. यस, एन्ड लर्न also. Stay safe, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.